All right, fellas, I'm out in the garage here today, and boy, I'll tell you what, it's it's been staying down in the 20s in the morning, but in the afternoon, about 12 to 3 o'clock, it's been getting up into the low 50s, mid 50s, and the sun's been shining, so it hadn't been too bad. I actually got out in the front yard yesterday and got the lawnmower out and sucked up the last of the leaves off my big old Bradford pear out there, so I'm done for the year now. I just hate getting that lawnmower out in these late months, especially December, but you got to do what you got to do, I guess. Well, guys, I'm going to start out here. I got a shop card in. Let me show y'all something, man. Check this out. Isn't that cool? This is Bruce's Electric World. Man, I tell you what, you need to go over to his channel and check this guy out because he just got a bunch of new kits in for his stash, and I'm really digging that 49 Merc, Bruce. That looks pretty cool, that wagon. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I appreciate the kind words on the back there too, man. That's pretty cool. I like those. And he also gave me this little sticker. I don't know where I'm going to put it just yet, but I'm going to put that on something. Bruce, I appreciate that, man. Thanks. I like them shop cards, man. Those are just so cool. All right, what am I going to do next here? Hey, over here, you guys know I've been working on the 41 Chevy pickup, and there it is, hiding behind some of those shop cards. You can see it peeking out just a little bit there. But I tell you, it ain't going to be too much longer, and that sucker's going to be done. I'm struggling right now over whether to add the bumpers or not. I just have not made up my mind, so just don't know yet. There's the shop, or the Christmas card I got from Tom. Old Tom Rambler 69. That's a cool card. I like keeping it up here so I can look at it when I'm out here working. All right, I got some stash ads here. I was on, and where was it at? I think I was on eBay, and I was watching the auctions, and I wanted to get me another 41 Willys, but this time I wanted a street rod instead of the gasser. And a buddy of mine, Roger, he was down in Georgia at one of the big old car shows down there, and he sent me a text to want to know if there was anything I was looking for, and I told him I was looking for a 41 Willys. And he said there wasn't none down there. So I got lucky online and won the auction on this one on my bid. I got this sucker for 19 bucks. Ain't that killer looking? I think this is a 2005 release. Yeah. Man, I just love these 41 Willys. I wanted to do one as a street rod. I thought it'd look pretty cool. I like the gasser too, but I just wanted to do one as a street rod. Killer looking kit. Looks like it's got a pretty good engine in there too. Boy, that just looks killer. So look at the price tag on this one. I don't know. $13.93. Pretty good price there, isn't it? All right, let's get this one out of the way here. But that's just I like these old 41 Willys. They're just badass, I think. All right, let's get this out of the way. I was at Hobby Lobby the other day getting something for my wife, and I went back into the model section area because it was 40% off week, and I don't really see too many models anymore over there that really strike my fancy. I bought pretty much what I want from them. Every now and then I'll pick up one of the 66 Nova Pro Street kits or the 67 Chevelle Pro Street, but other than that, I pretty much went through the kits that they've got over there that I like. But I found this, and I wanted to show this guy. I just thought this was so cool, so this thing had to follow me home. Check this out. That's a 56 Ford F100 Edelbrock equipped. Check that out. Man, that just looks so cool. Got red line tires, and if y'all remember, I built one of these M2 kits here a while back, right there. That 57 Chevy. And the extra parts, it came with an extra engine and extra wheels, and that's what I put on this 55 Cameo. It's got the spare engine and wheels and tires on it from that. So I thought that was really cool. And these are all steel. The body's all steel. So, man, this thing is killer. I'm hoping that there's extra wheels in here. I already see the extra engine because there's the fuel injected and there's the blown one. So, man, that is just super cool. I just had to get that. That is just so cool. Of course, y'all know I like the trucks, especially since this one was red. like Ruby, man, it just caught my eye immediately, and they actually had two of them there. But this is the first time I've seen anything other than those 57 Chevys that Hobby Lobby's got. This was something new for them, I guess. So I got her. Well, fellas, I think I'm about done. Let me show you over here. Like I said, excuse me, I'm getting close to the completion on that 41 Chevy pickup, and then I'll be going hot and heavy on this 51 Henry J sedan delivery. I got the engine done. That's a engine from Iceman. That's big block Chevy blown big block Chevy. I got her sitting down in the chassis pretty good. I think I'm doing all right. I think it's going to sit in there, but I'm having trouble now. You can see that distributor is right up against that brace up front. So the radiator is supposed to be on the inside of that brace, and it's not going to fit there. It's going to have to go on the outside. But the bad thing is this chrome front piece fits into this radiator and bracket and everything. So that's going to shove that part way out much further. So kind of got an issue there. I've already been cutting this down some to fit up in the front there, but I think I ran into a problem there. But I think once I get that 41 Chevy pickup completed, I'll be going on this one pretty good and trying to make some headway on it. Haven't decided on any kind of a color yet or anything. Just not that far into the game on this one yet, fellas. Just still working on sanding parts down and getting the engine to fit in there and see what all I can do. Well, all right, that's about it on this, I guess. That's going to be killer, though, I think. That just looks cool as a gasser. That thing's going to look badass, I think. All right, fellas, I think I'm going to wrap this up. I don't want to keep y'all too long. I know everybody gets bored when there's long videos, just like I do. So I think I'm going to wrap this one up. All right, I'm done.